So you can wake up a few hours before school or work and do your morning routine. So for example, cold shower, meditation, gratitude, fast, like 30 minutes, you are ready. You are ready to go out. And then straight afterwards, you do like 1, 2, 3 hours of deep work. Bro, this view is beautiful. Okay, so back to the topic. You go back from your work or school, and then you must go to the gym. So you go to the gym, and after the gym there's no much time for business and no much energy for business. Remember this: if business is your priority, you must work at your business first thing in the morning. There's no other option to be more productive and get more results. The only thing you have energy to and you can spend time on is social media. So after the work and the gym, you take the shower, and straight after it you scroll on the shorts and watch motivational videos like David Goggins. But these videos ain't got you anything, like, because it's not education. Motivation is not education. And then you feel motivated for like half a minute, you do some push-ups or research new business to start because the last one don't work out, because you are only 1 week in this business, so you change to another one. Bro, if you wanna take business seriously and your life seriously, cut all the social media off, especially TV. TV is not social media, but who the fuck, what millionaire, what billionaire does have TV? Bro, think about it. Cut all of this social media off. Maybe not YouTube, but unsubscribe every entertaining channel on YouTube, or the channels that don't bring you much education, waste your time. Throw out TV through your window. Fuck TV. Bro, this news, this taking all of your energy. Like, not all, but this much of your energy. I can't even explain how much energy it take from you. This news, social media. Oh, new president in Mexico. Who the fuck cares? Bro, I am not living in Mexico. I don't care. I don't care about the new president in Mexico. I don't fucking care. I am not a Mexican guy. I live in Poland. Don't worry, you will know basic stuff about the world from your friends, parents, and grandma. They will tell you, like, if the elections is coming up, you will know that there will be banners like all over the place. So that was the step 2. Step 3 is actually what the title says. So how to enjoy working on your business more. So how to make work more enjoyable. Have pull right there. Basically, it's very easy thing to do, because to make work more enjoyable thing, you must do it your most enjoyable thing in your life. So basically, you go on dopamine detox. You cut down everything. No, maybe not everything. If fitness is more enjoyable than your business work, it's still good, but you mustn't make your business the most enjoyable thing. One of the most enjoyable things should be business. Basically, if you will make your business one of the most enjoyable things, you will work more on it because it will be enjoyable for you. You will cut all of the distractions off and of the things that been more enjoyable than your work. Oh, and one more thing that can help to make your work more enjoyable. This work maybe not should be your purpose, but can't be bad, like can't be scamming, like scamming people. You should feel good about your business. So business that helps people, for example, coaching. If you like fitness more than business, you can be fitness coach. So you will work out and it will be your business. So naturally you will like business more because you enjoy fitness. And if you enjoy business and fitness, it will be even better